Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome at this tutorial video. Today we are going to explain you and give you two websites that make mining for Tron. You know, Tron is a big cryptocurrency and that have a big large network of blockchain. Tron, Tron represents a very strong cryptocurrency for transaction, and you are very grateful today for having this tutorial video. Um, First of all, let me tell you what mining cryptocurrencies is. What mining cryptocurrencies is. Mining cryptocurrencies is a process. You know, it's a process that Bitcoin and several other cryptocurrencies use to generate new coins and help you to verify new transactions in the market. It involves vast decentralized networks of computers around the world that verify and secure blockchains. You know that there are many blockchain networks like Bitcoin, like BNB, Smart Chain, like Ethereum, like Tron, like Solana. Okay, as we did talk about the last tutorial, the virtual ledgers that document cryptocurrency transaction. Okay, guys, that crypto mining is a typical harmful to the environment because of the significant energy and equipment that are required. Non-renewable energy production and electronic equipment manufacturing are both associated with the emission of greenhouse gas. You have to know that mining is made with energy. Without energy, you cannot mine. You cannot make any mining. Okay, guys. Eh, for example, if you want to mine one Bitcoin, the shortest amount of time it can take to mine at least one Bitcoin is about 10 minutes. However, the actual time it can take you depends on several factors such as the hashing power. Hashing power is the power that allows you to mine Bitcoin on the network. On the mining power hardware, the overall network hash rate, and the Bitcoin mining difficulty. Okay, guys, that is mining Bitcoin cryptocurrency is. You will see with me two websites that you can mine Tron cryptocurrencies. First of all, let me show you the one is etron.vip. Okay, that's the first website that I'm going to talk to you about. Okay, Tron VIP. Tron VIP is a Tron faucet pay mining. Faucet pay like faucet pay. Okay, look, you will take your Tron via faucet pay. Okay, you will start earning passive income today. Tron mining is a lucrative investment opportunity in the world of cryptocurrency. Explore the potential of Tron mining, invest and discover the benefits of Tron mining programs. Guys, you can invest a little bit USDT for mining too, but if you don't want to invest, you can verify or consult the other website, free Tron went in. That's the website. It's very easy to take some Tron. For example, you enter your mail here, and password is optional. Look, you don't need to enter a password. Okay, you don't need to enter a password to verify that you are not a robot. Okay, okay. Next, verify. Please try again. Okay. Please click on object on entities related to work. Okay, ask to work. Okay, the trucks. Okay, the trucks is related to work. Okay, as you can see, okay, sign up. Incorrect details. Okay, I enter my email, my password. Okay, I have to create a password. Okay, I make a copy of those words and paste it. Okay, and now I think the account is created. Okay. Okay, the email password is not important. Verify that you are not a robot. Click on all object made out of metal. Okay. Please click on all object made out of metal. Okay. Okay, to work. Okay, to work. Okay, guys. Like free Tron. You can mine. You can take a bit a Tron every hour. Okay, every hour you can earn free Tron. Here, if you want to invest some Bitcoin, some Tron, or if you are not able to invest, you can start free. You can start free. Okay, look, all you have to do is create an account, start investing. You can start investing. Only accept faucetpay.io. You have to create faucetpay.io account. Okay, if you want to have more details, let me know on the section comment, guys, and I will make another video talk about this process. It's very important to invest a little bit money on this website. It's very good, guys. Let me tell you something about this mining. We among us does not need to earn money from the internet for free without making any effort. Today I just present to you two of the best free sites for mining digital currencies like Tron for free. Okay, especially the Tron currency. There are many cloud mining sites on the internet, but you don't know whether they are honest or not. The site today are one of the best sites for earning Tron currency for free. A trial and trusted site. You know, guys, I bring to you a trusted site. Like for mining site. Okay, the site has been operating for more than 2 years and still working up to the present time, and is paid for free. There are several ways to mine Tron for free without any expensive equipment. One way is to use a smartphone, and the other way is to use a computer. Um, that was a pleasure, guys, to present to you. There's free mining site, Tron. Okay, guys. Talk to you soon. Have a good day, and thank you for watching.